Today we got James Moore with us. He's with the Office of the CTO. We actually had the opportunity to have the CTO himself on the program a couple times today, and Jeff Nick, of course, and he actually described the resilient virtual cloud to us a little bit, but let's go a little bit more in depth. Tell us a little bit more about your idea and what it's all about.
Yeah, well, no problem. And it's great to have Jeff evangelizing the project. I really appreciate that, and I appreciate everyone who stops by the booth. The resilient virtual cloud is a simple, dynamic, resilient, high throughput computing platform that allows you to process both high performance computing and micro batch workloads. And there's three strategic key innovations associated with the resilient virtual cloud. The first being our resiliency mechanism. We do something that no one else can do. We drive into the hypervisor, we drive into the storage platforms, we define a state model, and we follow that state model so that people can create consistent point-in-time state capture of their virtual infrastructure. We term them complex assets because they're associated with workloads in an unobtrusive and dynamic way. So what does that mean? It means that you don't have to do anything as far as writing your workload in a special way, take your existing workload, deploy it on our infrastructure. You don't have to do anything about special machines, special virtual machines, no kernel modules. Just deploy these things, let us handle all of the resiliency stuff, and we'll take care of you, The second thing, virtualizing vPlex. Super cool, very new prototype out of the vPlex organization. We looked at it and we said, wait a minute, this has a lot of applicability to distributed systems. Traditionally with distributed systems, you have your data in your data center. Let's say you want to compute in the cloud. You have a problem there. You need to get the data to the cloud, and how do you do it? You stage in, you produce some result set, you don't want to lose your result set, you got to put it back out to your data center. Stage in and stage out, right?
Yeah.
So that can take a lot of time. We're talking about a lot of data. What if you were able to put a vPlex appliance in the cloud, pull your working set dynamically, eliminate the stage out, compute what you need to compute, and then in real time mirror your results out to the data center?